Previously on Roses and Daggers.
I've got an idea. My friend is going to be home all day. She'll be in bed sick. I'm going to prepare her some soup now. And I'll put a little something in there to knock her out.
Even though I'm in support of our kids getting married, I must say I'm against any intent of manipulating them into getting married. It would be great to see them married, but I'm not desperate.
I know that sitting through an entire dinner with me is the worst thing that you would have to deal with.
Not far from the truth.
So let's be real. Instead of sitting here taking jabs at one another, we don't like one another. But that's no new news. But I do know that I owe my son the sincere attempt to make this work.
You're getting married?
How did you know?
And I'm only learning about it from someone else.
She's just been throwing up a lot since morning and she managed to sleep a few minutes ago. She really needs to rest. Can we please go?
Is she pregnant?
Mama. Hey. Mama. Let me get. Sorry, Mama. Sorry. Sorry, Mama. Let me get water for you.
Let's just go inside.
Okay. Sorry.
Anita. Huh? Anita. Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you? What's your name again? Come here. Where are you?
What is it?
Help me send her to the hospital. There's something wrong with my girl.
There's nothing wrong with her. She needs to sleep. Please stop disturbing her and let her have a rest.
Have I not been pregnant before? Is she the only one to throw up because of pregnancy? Help me send her to the hospital. Look.
Please, feel her pulse. She's okay.
Feel her what? Are you a doctor? Look, if it's money you're thinking about, I can pay. Do you know how to drive?
No.
Then go out there and get us a taxi. Anita. Are you still standing there?
She's fine, La. She'll wake up.
Hey, are you a witch or what?
Oh, you're making so much noise.
Anita. You okay?
I'm tired.
You've been sleeping the whole day away. You can still be tired. Why? What did you cook for her?
Just soup. And some natural fruit juice. But she hasn't even had that yet. I can go and bring it.
No. I'll cook for her myself. Out. What's the name again? Come here. Where are the ingredients? Unfortunately, when it's needed most, I didn't bring any this time.
Good evening.
Mom, are you still upset? I thought you understood.
I understand.
So why are you just walking away?
Because there's nothing to talk about.
Not to even give me a hug or to congratulate me.
Come here. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mom. I really wanted it to be a surprise news to you.
And you really surprised me if you think about it.
I know. Tell me you're happy for me. You know I can't do anything without you.
I'm happy for you. Really, I am. What is it again?
I don't know. I've been feeling like this the whole day. I can't believe I'm getting married. And it's to Joshua.
You do love him, don't you? No one is forcing you into this.
I know. It's just that I feel like I've wasted a lot of my time. And he's always been there.
And he waited for you.
Sometimes I feel like I don't even deserve him. Mom, I'm so happy.
And he'll be a good husband.
Yep.
Have you told your daddy yet?
Nope. Are you going to tell him?
No. I'll leave you two to it.
Daddy!
Have you been crying?
Don't mind me. I have the best of news to tell you.
Really?
You have no idea. Let's go.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Did Val tell you anything?
Yes, she did. Just before you walked in.
Wow, that might be a good news then.
It is. It is indeed. You know what? I'll join you shortly, okay? So you go on.
It is what?
What are you afraid of? Are you afraid I'll see through you as you sit across from her at the same table?
And what do you seem to achieve? Say if I was still in love with her, what would you do about it?
That's not fair, and you know it.
What's not fair is with you pushing her into our lives with every little opportunity. I don't get it.
Because I want you to tell me that I'm wrong.
Marjorie, I married you, and that speaks volumes.
No, doesn't. Tell me right now that you don't wish she was here with you.
Marjorie, please.
I keep bringing her up because I want you to see me the way you see her. It's not enough to have you lying here beside me. I want the whole of you. You're my husband, and I won't let her have you.
She's got her own family.
Do I have you? Festus?
Yes, you do.
It's been crazy. I have no idea of what happened. One time I was throwing up, the next I was knocked out. I still feel a bit wheezy.
It's because you didn't have anything in your stomach. That's not good. Tomorrow, I'll prepare something more nutritious for you.
Winnie prepared me some light soup. That was when I went off. I don't know when she got in. I just woke up finding her sitting next to me. Yeah, hold on.
Hello? It was a little disturbing. She's been sleeping all day. I would have rushed her to the hospital if it weren't for your house help. When are you coming back? Why didn't any of you tell me that Anita was pregnant? I could have come to look after her in your absence.
There's no need for that, Mom.
Well, I am going to stay here until you come back. I don't trust strangers.
Babe? She's adamant she wants to stay. You know your mom already.
I'm staying here to look after you, give you good food for you and the baby in there.
Please come home soon before she overfeeds us.
Yes, tell him I'll overfeed you. Just look at you, look at you.
Of course, I don't have a problem. Of course, I don't have a problem if she stays here. I didn't tell her. How she got to know, I don't know. Yes, I'm fine. I'm just a little bit dizzy. I'll go with Winifred tomorrow morning. I didn't want to worry her. Guess what? She's getting married. Who else?
Hey, are you asleep? Did Valerie tell you about the dinner?
What dinner?
The kids wants both families to sit down together tomorrow evening. I think it's a good idea.
Sure.
Yeah, hey.
Yo, what time are you leaving for work?
In about 50 minutes.
I need a lift. My car is at the workshop. Can you please pick me up on your way? It's okay if you can't. I'll just join my mom. I thought we could meet up and talk about tonight.
Tonight? Oh, tonight. Yeah. Okay, I'll have Olu pass by yours to get you first.
Okay. I'll see you later then.
Alright, sure.
Hello.
Michael. No, I can't make it. I told you Mama was sick since yesterday. No, she's not well. She was restless throughout the whole night, so I had to bring her to the hospital early this morning. She has been detained and given some drips. I'm supposed to get some labs done, but the lab here is closed. Michael, that is not even the worst part. I have already spent everything on me. I have already exhausted everything in her bag. Oh Lord, what do I do? Well, thanks, but I can't think of school right now. Michael, I am worried. Yes, at the New Wager Community Hospital. No, Michael, I can't drag you out of classes. You need to stay for both of us. A friend? Where? And you think he's going to help us? Michael, that would be great. Okay, so where should I meet you? Yes, I know there. Okay, I'm coming. I'll wait for you outside when I get there before you. Okay, bye-bye.
Anita, are you sure you don't want me to come with you? I don't trust that stranger. Oh.
Mom, I'll be fine. Winifred is just a friend, and she has been helping me around here. There's nothing for you to worry about. So I'm going to the hospital to run some tests, okay? What are you cooking for me for lunch?
Plantain with kotumbre. I brought some pear with me.
No problem. I'll be back soon.
Okay.
And I have some money under my pillow, just in case you need anything.
Okay.
Okay. See you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, dear.
Hello, Michael. Yes, I'm here. No, you come out. Okay.
Miss you a lot.
Miss you too. Michael, thank you so much. I don't know what I could have done without you.
Where's the paper? Alright. Come on, let's go.
Do you think he's going to do it for us for free?
Yeah, he's a family friend. Don't worry, alright? Your mom will be fine.
What did you say was wrong with your car again?
Oh, nothing. Just normal routine checks.
When was the last time you went for a checkup?
Get off my back. Let me spend my alone time with you before I get down. Hey, let's talk about dates.
My mom already asked.
So?
How soon do you want to get married?
Very soon.
3 months. Wait. Depends on the kind of wedding you want. Look, it's all you. It's just, just keep me in the know. And I just thought that you'd want a smaller wedding.
Hey!
So you want me to look like a miserable rat in front of thousands of people?
Come on. Not so big. You know I don't have a lot of friends. And you don't have any at all.
Yeah, I mean, it's more their wedding than ours.
I know.
My mom is just gonna have a feels day.
I'm just gonna have to talk to my wedding planner. Then I could get some answers.
Anita.
Of course. Who else?
Okay.
So back to the dates. 3 months?
Fine by me.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
So, could you please wait for me here?
Really? I thought I was going to go inside with you.
Winifred is not necessary.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Sure.
What?
I am late. I have to go home.
You're supposed to help me look for her. That is what you're supposed to do.
But I am tired.
Tired of what?
That's your sister. Hurry.
Winifred! Winifred!
take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to a